is I will be glad if between now, next week and 2 weeks that we'll be at the tribunal, to see Governor Seyi Makinde walk into the tribunal venue and sit down to support the party, our candidates, and to demonstrate to Nigerians that the party, the healing has started. To demonstrate to the world that PDP is united. That will show that the healing has truly started. And not just only Governor Seyi, any of our governors, it is time for us to take this tribunal seriously. We should allow only our lawyers to attend these tribunals. Please, if you find yourself in Abuja, you can stroll in and spend 30 minutes, 1 hour. Let the world know that there's a new PDP that is big, that is strong and reliable. And we are one indivisible party. And we are supporting this tribunal to take over power.